Welcome to Cloners. This is Dr. Ramakrishna. So the plants which you are looking around are the Nom Doc Mai, which is called golden yellow mango plants. This is a very highly commercially successful variety in the Thailand. Okay. So we performed the air layering on this golden yellow mango. Okay. And we got successful air layering roots formation. You can see the healthy roots formation there. So we performed air layering on this golden yellow mango with the 20,000 ppm Cloners rooting hormone gel. So instead of grafting the mango plants, we can also propagate the mango plants with the help of air layering propagation using Cloners rooting hormone gel. If you want to try our Cloners rooting hormone gel, please contact us.